Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change 2018 Honda CRV fog light, park on level ground, and disconnect the battery to avoid short circuits. Remove the bumper access panel or inner fender liner to expose the fog lamp housing. Unplug the wiring connector and remove the retaining screws carefully. Swap the old bulb with the correct replacement, secure the housing, reconnect the battery, and test the new fog light for proper operation. In this video, I will show how to change 2018 Honda CRV fog light. Start by confirming the exact bulb type and getting a replacement that matches OEM specs. Lay out a socket set, flathead screwdriver, and trim tool so you can work efficiently. Wearing gloves prevents oils from touching the bulb glass and reduces breakage risk. Keep fasteners in a small tray and test the new bulb before reassembling the bumper for a smooth finish. In this video, I will show how to change 2018 Honda CRV fog light. First, locate the access point behind the bumper or inner fender and remove any retaining panels. Unscrew the housing fasteners and gently pull out the fog lamp assembly to reach the bulb. Disconnect the wiring harness, remove the old bulb, and install the new one by aligning its tabs properly. Reassemble panels, tighten fasteners, reconnect the battery, and verify the fog light function.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.